great choice today with the 2009 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.